BW Group is one of the largest logistics companies in the world, and it established in 1925 and its headquarters in Hamilton, Bermuda. BW Group Service is a group of 4 companies which are BW Global Logistics, BW International, BW Haulage, and BW Ocean Sendian Berhad. The insurer for marine insurance that used by BW Group is Zurich and Tokyo Marine. For ownership, BW Group belongs limited private company that engage oil and gas transportation, floating natural gas infrastructure, environmental marine technology, and deepwater production activity. Hendrik Sherman Paul was a chairman of BW Group, BW Offshore, BW LPG, Singapore Maritime Foundation, and Agnia Tanker, while Mr. John B. Harrison, Sir John Rose, Mrs. Lim Hui Hua, and Mrs. Christian Crozen are board directors of BW Group. For vision of BW Group are focused to invisible leader of all fields living and to become the best water provider and respect versus operator across the world. For the mission for BW Group are intend to revolution the logistic field with simplified procedure and end-to-end solution.
The Chief Logistics Service of BW Group. The first one is International Ocean Freight. They are one of the chief logistics service in BW Group, and the ocean freight involves of importing daily use products. Most of their clients serve in China manufacturer company. The second one is warehouse service. They are involved of bond warehouse and non-bond warehouse. Stuff are not freight by using loader container handler to transport container in short distance, and therefore it will move to the warehouse of the port. Lender also will pay per square or pallet when used in the warehouse. The third one is haulage service. The company have their own haulage consists of 17 units of prime mover, 22 units of 20 feet trailer, 86 units of 40 feet trailer, and 2 units of side loaders. The haulage service is distribute pallet or container merchandise. The fourth service is forwarding service. The forwarding service offer to all kinds of legal products such as furniture, long steel, building material, and more. The next one I want to introduce the product of in BW Group. The clients come from many different industries such as fertilizer, paper product, confectionery, palm oil product, plastic product, food and beverage. The next one I want to introduce import product by BW Group. BW Group involved of importing daily use product to ensure the logistics service is sustainable for long-term goal. The company have related customer involved of mass production in China.
Upstream and downstream activity. BW Group integrate upstream and downstream activity process to get more cost-effective and efficient of border supply chain in their business. Upstream activity. Transporting or shipping to the plant is example of upstream activity for BW Group. BW Freight Management is BW Group internal provider of ship management and new building service. Their management approach is characteristic by an emphasis on cross-interaction between share and seafaring personnel. Downstream activity. Downstream from the assembling plant are distributed shipping partner and point of sale stop along the way such as wholesaler and retailer. Furthermore, many of the products that consume use every day come directly from downstream BW Group, including food, natural gas, petroleum gas, and others. This company well diversified and engaged in all levels of the downstream activity process. The marketing strategy used to get the customer for BW Group. BW Group use business-to-business marketing strategy. Business-to-business marketing strategy refer to the business service that take place single one of or multiple commercial transactions between companies that offer wide product range and product distribution channel. The owner commit in asset resource to ensure consistent and favorable customer experience with the brand that influence the strength of the brand. Goods and services offer highly standard across industry, and the company across industry will think more on building business core strategy to increase outsourced logistics. Furthermore, BW Group use the business-to-customer marketing strategy. BW Group target large customers as an audience for each businesses. BW Group invests in a relatively wide network to ensure they don't miss out of the potential market with the total mass market. BW Group must focus on the product benefit characteristics.
The challenge of BW Group is inappropriate workflows of workers. The careless of workers during loading containers and bad attitude of workers may cause damage of containers before transshipment and or during the shipping journey. The next challenge is lack of quayside equipment installment due to the BW Group more focused on haulage service on road. So most of their investment of facilities straight into landside equipment, which include prime movers, containers, trailers, and side loader. And the quayside equipment used by BW Group for loading and unloading the containers are less installed into the operation. The third challenge is environmental impact caused by shipping at container port. Shipping at container port is the most carbon efficient mode compared to the air and road transport. This emission consists of harmful elements toward the atmosphere and marine habitats. For the suggestion to solve the problem, we suggest that for deep infusion of knowledge and technique needed for port workers. Port workers must understand clearly about all the operation, specific process, and security measure at port. They also need specific safety training program in container handling operation. The next suggestion is BW Group must strictly implement the policy and regulation of company. Port workers must be monitored and supervised constantly to ensure the safety workplace. The third suggestion is BW Group should install more quayside equipment to improve the efficiency in unloading and loading containers between the vessels. They can install more quayside cranes such as gantry crane, which used to lift the containers in and out of vessels and remove them from a barge, trucks, chassis train. It can help to raise up the frequency of container handling per day. The last suggestion is BW Group may operating measure include slow steam, which the ship operate at low speed, reduce fuel consumption, and use renewable energy to reduce shipping emission and protect the community of port operation and promote sustainability environment.